Okay, here we go. All right. Food report is live at the undisclosed location. Let me show you what's going on here. We've got dinner we're wrapping up. Got one of my cameramen here, Bryce. We've got cakes from local bakeries. We got the drone up in the air. Look at these two cakes that we had bakeries make for us. These things are amazing. We got spaghetti and meatballs. Got Nick on the controls for the drone. Cupcakes from Frost. Pizza from Lost Pizza. Tuscany made spaghetti and meatballs. Look at this cake. Can you see that? We got bread, garlic knots, side street burgers, bundt cakes, cupcakes. Hey, we appreciate you guys watching. We're actually out here in a field doing a photo shoot. We've got our photographer back here, Lizzie from Chasing Perfection. Hey, we're just kind of wrapping up some of dinner, and want to let you guys know about the free t-shirts we're going to be giving out. We're going to be giving out 10. So what we need you to do is share this video. If you haven't already shared the previous video we sent out, share that. Like some of these local restaurants that you're seeing on there. If you've been to Frost, if you've been to Tuscany, Side Street Burgers, Lost, Baked Greats, made us a cake. Look at that. I mean, they really put some detail in here. Be sure to like it and, you know, show us those hearts, share the video, and we're definitely going to be picking out 10 winners. So we appreciate you watching. We're just going to kind of sit the camera here. I'm going to let Sarah run it for a while and enjoy the evening with us a little bit out here at sunset. Where's your tea, Bryce?
Give me a little bit.
He's eating. Bryce doesn't have any tea
No,
left.
don't do the cigars.
For the photo shoot.
Don't do the cigars.
No cigars? Cigars or no cigars? Give me some honey.
That's cute.
Yeah. All right, we'll make them one more time. We've got Sugars. Facebook Live friends. We've got Sugars from Lily's Bakery. These things are amazing. All right.
Don't mess with it. Alright, here. You gotta have some.
I thought we were going to do I thought we were going to do a stage shot for the
That cake.
photo shoot.
We're sitting there. Like, at you? I didn't do that.
Come on here, Ben.
Y'all seeing all this?
Alright, let me restart.
We'll get Nick with some icing here in just a second. It's disgusting. It tastes good, but it doesn't look real. The Photoshop that out of the photo shoot.
I'm cutting my food into balls so it hurts when it hits.
What are we doing for the photo shoot? Okay.
On a count of 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. I think a big ball hit my leg.
Don't eat it. Oh.
Let me try to taste it.
Come on, closer.
I can't breathe.
I've got spaghetti.
Thanks, Dad. Oh! I'm about to throw up how sweet this is. Alright. Alright. Sarah, cut mine.
Protect the bundt cake.
Okay.
Protect the bundt cake?
Here.
Why are we protecting the bundt cake?
I don't know, but I want some of these potatoes.
Let me see Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Who have we got watching tonight? Who's on Facebook Live?
Right, come here.
Tell us where you're from. Penny Miller is on with us. Yeah, a little food fight here. We're in a, does anybody know where we're at? Recognize any of that? We are in Olive Branch. We are in Olive Branch. Penny wants a free t-shirt.
I can't see. You get a little good view of that.
What's going on with the drone?
You hear that?
Oh.
Right.
Hey,
Yeah.
you good?
Hey guys! What do we got there, Bryce?
A nice little bundt cake.
Alright. We're gonna sit this. You wanna sit it? There we go. Alright. Let me make sure this has got the shot I need. Alright.
Hey, Nick.
Hey Sarah, come get this with your iPhone. Don't hit me hard.
How's it taste?
I want to try it. Are we ready to go here? Here. You ready? Right here.
What am I getting now?
No, with yours.
With
Go
mine?
ahead, you go ahead and use yours. Get up close.
I have the other one.
Well, hurry up. No, not yet.
Tell me when you're ready.
Are
I'll
you
start
ready?
it off. Tell me when you're ready. I'll start it.
Are you two ready? Go ahead and record, Sarah. Oh man, I'm about to go. All right. Don't
Hey,
get in
Nick.
my ear.
This bundt cake's pretty good.
Oh yeah? Let me try it. Here, Sarah.
Hey, we're having some fun out here now, but we really enjoyed this meal. We sat down and tasted all this before we started up this nonsense, and it was really good. If you've not been to Frost before, you've definitely got to go check them out. We've got a behind the scenes video coming out soon, and like if you got a wedding or a big birthday party, I'm full. Big birthday party coming up, go see Christy and in Collierville, and she'll take care of you there. They can make all different kinds of cakes, whether it's a wedding cake that's tiered or a superhero cake. We were amazed when we were there. Also baked greats. This place, the cake tastes amazing. It is really good. So go see them in South Haven. Also, I'm sure you're familiar with Lost Pizza and Side Street from some of our previous videos. Those guys brought out some food for us. And Tuscany, that's kind of a new location or a new restaurant in town at a location you may be familiar with. And be watching for our behind the scenes video where we're going to give you all the details of that. But yeah, we appreciate you guys watching tonight. Let us know, hit those hearts and likes and shares if you want a free t-shirt. We've got 10 to give away. So if you're on this video now, you're probably getting one. Be sure to put your name in there and your location.
Thanks
and
for
we'll
watching
contact
Food
you and
Report.
set it up. Hey! I think they're trying to turn me off before I'm ready to get off the video here. I'm not ready to get off the video.
All right, we got to do this cake.
If you want to join us for a food fight and you can figure out where we're at,
Come get Bryce.
come on out.
Get this camera. and
Sun's about to set. Setting up all this is a lot of work. I don't want this to get political, but y'all remember that show, The Apprentice, with Trump? And it was always the project manager was responsible for whether or not it went good or bad. And I'm not sure who the project manager was on this project. It took all of us, but we really enjoyed it. Talking to some of these local restaurants, we always enjoy that, and finding out a little bit more about them. These owners put a lot of pride in their work and into their food, so you guys be sure to support local, and I know a lot of you do already, but it's worth the time to find these local places and dig in. I don't know what's going on over here. Let's check it out.
Really good.
That cake
This
looks actually
food-
pretty good.
It's been really good.
I'm
This
not getting,
cake?
Yeah, this
I'm not getting
cake's
too
pretty
close to
good.
this again.
It's definitely good. Best cake I've had.
All right. I haven't had a chance to look at all these comments. I see Angela. How many shirts do you want, Angela? We'll send you 2. Let us know. If you're on this video, right now we've got, is it 9 people watching? If you're on this video right now, you're getting a shirt. If you write your name and let us know, it's going to record the time, you're getting a shirt. So just put it on there, your location, like it, share it, all that stuff. I got my main man Bryce here with me, also known as my second son.
The
Depending on what, you know,
the better of the two.
it depends on what day it is. Both good cameramen. Sarah's in the background capturing video. We got the drone up ahead somewhere. I don't know if y'all can see the drone.
Can I get this shot right here? That shot.
I'm not going to hug you, but
Okay.
this is Lizzie.
Hi.
Lizzie's got video coming out soon, but if you're looking for some spring photo shoots, you definitely need to check her out. We've tagged her in our post. It's at Chasin Photography. She's been real good and patient with us. We're not the easiest to deal with out here, but she's been real good. So I think she's her palette has expanded now that she's filming us or photographing us rather than just babies. I'm not sure, we're probably worse to deal with, but anyway.
Man-child.
Yeah, exactly. Check her out on Facebook and set up a spring session with her.
I'm good.
She probably doesn't want any food at this point.
I'm scared.
What, you want to shoot something else?
Yeah,
What were you about to say?
I just wanna get a picture of the aftermath.
Oh, the aftermath?
Yeah.
Check out, we have a new food report sign. Check this out. I don't know if you can see that.
Hey, Dad. Get out of stuff.
The engineer of the house made that, which is Nicholas. We got the drone coming in for a shot. The sun's about to set. I'm starting to get a little concerned about getting all this back to the car, wherever that is.
I'm gonna film all this aftermath.
Okay.
Can I go ahead and put my gear? Alright, I got so many photos. I probably took about 1,000 photos.
1,000?
Probably 800.
Look at this.
photos.
Look at the. This is what a real photographer uses. Look at this gear. The lens on that.
It's a 70 to 200.
I don't know what that
Lens.
means. I know you were pretty far from us.
Yeah.
And then getting the close-up shot. So
Yeah. This
that's
is a
awesome.
6D camera. Body.
6D Canon.
6D.
Yeah.
Yeah. Canon.
Megapixels. Is that
Oh,
a thing
gosh.
still?
Don't ask me.
Too technical.
I just
I
know
understand.
that
What's going on over here?
I've got shoes. I got
Sarah's
water
stuck.
on my shoes.
This place is not easy to get to. We went to a little bit of trouble to get all this stuff set up. Feels like we're out in Arizona or somewhere.
What's for breakfast, Dad?
What's that?
Yeah, it's what we were having to deal with.
Here's what the photographer will go to make you happy.
Right.
Look at all this.
Show them what the girls were stepping in. Our shoes are filled with water. But it was so much fun.
We did bring garbage bags, and we are planning on cleaning all this up. Okay, maybe not every crumb, but we are going to clean up most of it. Hey, I haven't kept up with how many, if we got to 10 people watching this or not. Last time I looked at it, it was 9. Looks like it's down to 4 now. If you haven't written your location in, do that. Not your whole address, just the city you're from. That way we'll know to look back for you when we go back through this video later and get you a free t-shirt. We're almost out of white, so you may get a black one, you may get a gray one. We'll try and accommodate the sizes. Looks like I'm about to miss out on cigars over here.
Nothing better than some spaghetti in your eye.
I think our photographer's hiding.
I'm putting my gear up. I'm hiding in the weeds.
All right, guys. We appreciate y'all joining us for virtual dinner. Hope you had a little bit of fun. I see Nanette and Angela Denton. Thank you guys for all your support and liking and commenting on our videos. We do have some new restaurants coming up, so we're excited about that. And I know y'all be looking forward to us getting back to actually reviewing food. So be watching for that soon. Looking forward to checking out these photos. She said she had about 1,000. That sounds like a lot. We'll see. Maybe 1 or 2 of them are usable on our end. We'll find out. I'm sure the quality's good, but I don't think I want some of this. This may be the only time you see all this. All right. Everybody have a good night and a good weekend. We appreciate y'all tuning in. We'll go back through the video and we'll give away some shirts and announce some winners. For now, we're out. Check out that sunset. I don't know if y'all can see that or not.
I ain't spoken. Mine's got too much.
Good night.
Be smoked.